Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to overseed your yard using a ground-driven overseeder. Overseeding is one of the best things you can do to promote a high-quality lawn of thick, healthy grass. The best time to overseed is in the fall, while the soil temperature is still warm. The nights are pretty cool, and the chances for rain are better than during the summer. This way, the grass seed has its best chance to germinate and become established before winter arrives. Today, we're working on a large lawn in southeast Kansas that's about 250 feet long and about 100 feet wide. We're using a Frontier GS 1160 ground-driven overseeder and a John Deere 3039R compact utility tractor. And because this overseeder has a dry weight of 861 pounds, we've also added 12 70-pound suitcase weights on the front of our tractor as ballast. Now, there are lots of ways to apply seed, and lots of different implements you can use to do it. But here are a couple reasons why this Frontier overseeder really makes sense. With this machine, you can choose between a pair of angle-adjustable spike front rollers or front discs to help prepare the soil for seeding. Since this is a lawn, we're using the spike front rollers, and we set them at 0-degree angle so we don't tear up the turf. This will act as an aerator that will puncture the soil surface, allowing moisture, nutrients, and oxygen to penetrate. It also comes equipped with 3 seed boxes that can be set to operate individually or all together, so you can plant 3 different seed types if you want, and at 2 different depths. Each seed box is designed to handle a different type of seed. One for large seeds, like soybeans, another for small seeds, like legumes, and one for long, fluffy seeds, like native prairie grass. First, Rachel will have to attach the overseeder to the tractor. We added an iMatch quick hitch, which makes hooking up all kinds of implements as easy as possible, because you don't have to get off your tractor to attach compatible implements to your 3-point hitch. You just focus on the top hook, and everything else falls into place. Then lock down the locking levers and you're ready to go. One of the challenges for any seeding project is to get the application rate right. This fescue grass seed isn't real expensive, but you should make sure you apply any seed at the correct amount per acre to get the most for your money. To help with that, this overseeder includes a calibration chart that shows exactly how much seed per acre Rachel should use and where to set the dispersal rate for the seed cups. Then she'll set the flow control lever to the proper position. To make sure her calculations are correct, she'll use the seed calibration tray to capture the proper volume of grass seed. Then she'll weigh it to make sure she'll be dropping the right amount of seed at the proper rate. Once Rachel has added the seed to the seed box and made sure the dispersal rate is correctly set, she's ready to get to work. Now all she has to do is make sure she maintains her speed from 2 to 5 miles per hour and travels in as straight a line as possible without leaving any gaps between passes. This 2,500 square foot lawn will take her about an hour to completely overseed. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.